Here are two ways to help you improve your meditation practice, and they both work so well. They both will allow you to go into this deeper state of inner peace. They'll definitely help bring more clarity, and in some cases, even a spiritual awakening. This is perfect for anyone that's new to meditation, been looking around, trying to find something that works for them. Comments come in quite regularly to say they find it difficult to sit still, to quiet the mind, they get agitated. This is perfect. But this is also perfect for people that have been meditating and have been slightly consistent now, and they want to take it to the next level. This will help enhance your meditations. I mentioned earlier the word inner peace. Once you find that place, you can start really exploring what is possible when it comes to meditation. And you can start playing around by asking a question before you go into it, and an answer will be so clear from you. You can set intentions. You could even ask for words and names to come up, and it will show you. Ask and you shall receive. But this is a great way to do it, because what it helps do is bring the mind centered. The word alignment, ment is the mind. It helps you align the mind with the body. My encouragement always with meditation, it's not about your thoughts. You observe them, but always focus on the feelings. So there's two. The first one is mantras. And if you straight away, oh, I've tried mantra before, I'm asking you, put it to the side and then give it a go. But we have to go back, because mantra is like a soulful framework that's been passed through the generations and passed through the ages, all the way back to the times of the Buddha. Mantras help get through the noise of the mind. And if we even look at the word mantram, man is mind, and tram equals tool or instrument. But it also is to cross. So if you think your mind is like the ocean, the sea, allows you to cross over the mind and get over to that calm space. And what's perfect about it is when there is different instructions when it comes to meditation, there's different guided meditations, there's words, our mind's still following. What happens is it takes the mind out, you're just on repeat. But the words that you're speaking silently in your head, they're vibrating through you. So this is a spiritual science. And if you actually just take the time to go and look, it's almost like, why haven't we done this sooner? And on my Deepak Chopra course, we were given our own specific mantra that had 3 words. So in the Vedics, the word Rama equals God. So they'll say Rama, 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 Rama. You could say God, 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 God. If you are into religion, Jesus, Jesus Christ, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Then you can start being more creative. I'm a soul coach. I love the words soul, truth, and love. Soul, truth, love. Soul, truth, love. Soul, truth, love. I am love. I am love. And you find something that works for you. I play around with it, but once you get something that works, you stick to it. Rama, 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 Rama. If you go beyond the meaning, it's a vibration in there. Vibrations activate certain parts within the body. And what tends to happen once you start finding this blissful place, you can hear like the music in the background. If you're doing a guided meditation, you can hear the words in the background, but it's not registering as such. It's just you're in that inner peace, that place of bliss. And that's what meditation is about. Once you find that, that's when the awareness kicks in. You hear that inner voice. You have a direct communication with self, communication with God, your soul. And when you ask and receive, you ask a question and you hear your voice speak back to you. And this is that part where the kingdom of heaven is within you. So mantras are so powerful just to keep saying to yourself, because you don't even have to just do that within a meditation. At any point in the day, our mind does get taken away from us. We get distracted. We get caught up in the drama. Instead of even taking a breath, you come back to the mantra, Rama, 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 Christ, 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 I am love, I am. And you keep doing it. And if you're listening to this now, it might seem like a lot. But once you get that consistency, that automation, you're not thinking about it anymore. Your body is listening all the time. Your body will be so used to that being connected with meditation. Meditation equals peace, calmness, stillness, healing, clarity, answers, rest, sleep. It has all these attachments to it. So that was the first one, playing around with a mantra. So I will leave a link on the comments below just to show you some common ones. And you can even create something so personal for you. You don't ever have to speak it to anyone else, but you know that that's your words. And when you actually have these words, feel it when you say it. Make sure it rings off the tongue. It flows for you because you don't want to be thinking about it. And then you've got shamanic drums. And this is another powerful one that works like a mantra. So I got into meditation about 8 years ago, and something that worked really well for me, and that was always my recommendation when my laddie mates, I'm like, do meditation, it's amazing. This always seemed to work for them too. Shamanic drums. And you just have this boom, 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 boom. And there's different variations. But like the mantra, the thoughts are about to go off. The mantra kind of brings me back center again. The drum, if my thought goes off, the drum pulls it back. And that's what it felt like all the time. So when I was using it before, I was actually training for my meditation course, which is all about mantras. And for concentration, playing the shamanic drums, it kept me so focused on what my goals were for that day, what my task was. I like to write. I used to write for a local newspaper on health, and I've got my Substack now. So if I want some inspiration, or if I got a topic I want to talk about, I go and set that as my intention and I meditate. And using something like shamanic drums as well. And then you could also add on that mantra. You feel the drums turn into your heartbeat. Your mind, your body, and your soul is all one. Boom, 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 boom. And you'll see again, it keeps you so centered. And it's a great way to keep everything in balance. I love playing around with music, and there's a lot of tracks that I've got from South America. I've got some favorite artists that incorporate the shamanic drums with their chants. And it's almost like you're getting their mantra combined with your mantra, combined with the drums. And you literally keep into this perfect harmony, perfect rhythm all the time. And why I really get excited about this, because every time you go into a meditation, you go even deeper. You feel even calmer. You experience this bliss. And when you come out, it's like a natural high. It's a smile. And you want to try to find someone that knows what you're talking about. And it's difficult to find that. When you know, you know. But when you meet someone that starts talking about meditation, but with a passion, because meditation's great, it helps. And people do it on and off. Once you find it, though, you're like, no, that's my decision. That's my key part to the day. That's what brings me joy. That brings me healing. And I get that excitement when I do meditate. And it's the creativity part after. As I mentioned, you set the intentions, you ask for questions, you get your answers. But it's, that's God. That's my soul. So we'll come back to mantras and shamanic drums. So I'm going to leave the links below. I'd like you to give that a try. And if you had experience with them so far, has that worked for you? And if you could then reply with another comment after trying one of these examples and see if you can feel the difference. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Check the videos out to see a number of my meditations that have been uploaded. Lots of variety in terms of playlists, in terms of the words used and spoken on there. And some of the recent ones now are with the use of American flutes from the indigenous. So it takes you on a completely different journey. So any questions, any comments, please do leave below. And I look forward to hearing what comes up for you.